Yo, what's up guys? This is Latrell and Jackson, and today we're gonna be unboxing this iPhone 8 Plus here. Well, Jackson is actually, because it's his iPhone, it's not mine, but yeah, we're gonna just get into it, so let's do it.
So AT&T repackages these so that they can put like the SIM cards and stuff in them. So unfortunately, it doesn't have the Apple pull tab anymore on it. But that's fine. We're just gonna have to cut it open.
And that's the box.
Alright,
Ready for this?
Cannot wait to open this up.
Guys, that's the iPhone 8. Well, the box anyways. And that's the iPhone 8. You got all your quick start guides,
Yeah,
Apple
quick
stickers,
start
your
guides.
regulars really.
Yeah.
And then we have the iPhone itself.
Oh, that looks beautiful.
So that's Jackson's first impressions. My first impressions, I mean, I think it looks alright. Like, we have it in the silver color, right?
Yeah, silver.
Yeah, looks pretty. It's a big phone though, I can tell you that.
I was debating whether to get gold or silver, but I'm happy with silver.
Yeah, man, that's like way bigger than I expected it though. So let's get into the box more. You know, typical Apple accessories there. The earbuds.
Earbuds with lightning and the lightning to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter, the normal lightning
The chargers.
cable, and a power brick.
And then I think there's more underneath it. Is it?
No.
For these Apple boxes? No?
Apple
Okay.
boxes, that's it.
And yeah, so let's just get into the actual phone. So, yep, that's the iPhone 8 Plus there.
Alright, so hold on.
Yeah.
Be quiet first. Everybody be quiet.
And hold on. I know you guys love these. So satisfying. And man, let's go ahead and turn it on here. So we don't really need to go around the iPhone because it's the same as the 7 and all that there. So okay, so hello.
Hello?
We're gonna go ahead and set this up right now.
True tone display. I'm really
Okay,
excited
so
about the True Tone.
we have a new setting on here. I thought I'd just go ahead and stop fast forwarding it real quick, but we have this True Tone display on here. I didn't really know anything about it. Apparently Jackson did.
It's pretty much makes your screen act like a piece of paper, where it's like the color tone of the room will be reflected onto your phone. So
Okay.
if you can see it without True Tone display, it gets a lot more blue. It's kind of hard to see on camera.
So
Just
I get.
take my word for
So I assume it's like if you're reading a book or something like that, and then it's just gonna more realistic. So yeah, we do also have the home button here, where it's not actually a home button, it's just more like a haptic engine underneath it when you press it. And welcome to iPhone. So that's our iPhone with iOS 11. So let me look around this real quick. I just want to pick it up real quick, but this is the iPhone 8 Plus right here, and my first impressions, I'm liking how it is. Like, it has a pretty good feel in the hand. You guys know I'm not the biggest iPhone person in the world, but I mean, I'm being unbiased right now. Like, I like the look of it, and I like how they switch the glass and all that. Some people, you know, they feel differently about that, but I like the look of it. And yeah, so I mean, just go ahead and hear what Jax has to say more, I guess.
That's pretty much it for me.
Okay, so that's it for him. Guys, maybe I'll update you more on this, but we'll just have to see in the future. So thanks for watching. Sorry I haven't been uploading that much, but I'm working on it. I'll see you in the next one. And also, yes, it does rotate. So yeah, peace out.